Okay, so today we're going to be writing inequalities from word problems. We've been doing equations. Today we're going to do inequalities. The only difference between inequality and equation is inequality will have a less than, greater than, less than equal to, or greater than equal to, instead of an equal sign in it. So number one, Ian needs to save at least $85 for a new pair of basketball shoes. He has $25 in his piggy bank and can save $12 from his allowance each week. How many weeks will Ian need to save to earn at least $85? Okay, so the variable I'm going to say is X is for the number of weeks. So his starting point is 25 bucks because that's what he has in his bank. Plus, he's going to save $12 a week. And he needs at least $85. So at least is greater than or equal to 85. The reason why it's greater than equal to 85 is because he can have $85 or he can have 86, 87, 88. It doesn't matter as long as it's $85 or more. So that's our first inequality. All right, number two. The vet told Sarah that her dog should weigh at most 70 pounds. Her dog weighs 106 pounds. So Sarah set a goal that he would lose 4 pounds per week. How many weeks will it take for Sarah's dog weight of 70 pounds or less? Okay, so her variable X is again weeks. So her starting point for the dog is 106 pounds. And this dog is going to lose, so subtract 4 pounds a week. So it'd be 4X. And she wants the dog to weigh 70 pounds or less. So that means it's going to be less than or equal to. So it's okay for her dog to weigh 70 pounds or less. So it can be 70, 69, 68, 67, and so on. And that's our inequality. All right, number three. The temperature in the ice rink must stay below 50 degrees. The morning temperature was 71 degrees. The ice rink runs a cooling device that can decrease the temperature by 3.5 degrees every hour. How many hours will it take the temperature to fall below 50? So right now, our variable is X for hours. So it means that our starting point is 71 degrees. We're going to decrease that temperature, so we're going to subtract 3.5 degrees every hour. Okay? And we must stay below 50 degrees. So that's going to be less than 50 degrees. The reason why it doesn't equal that is because it has to be below 50 degrees. So it can be like 49, 48, and so on. And so it has to be below it. That's our inequality. All right, last one. Zoe and her dad got on a hot air balloon ride over the weekend. In order to remain safe, they cannot exceed an elevation of 450 feet. If they start at an elevation of 120 feet and rise at a rate of 15 feet per minute, how many minutes can they continue to rise? So our variable is X equals minutes. So I'm going to reread this. So it says Zoe and her dad go on a hot air balloon. In order to remain safe, they cannot exceed elevation of 450 feet. So that means that it can't go above that. So our starting point is 120, and they rise at a rate of 15 feet per minute. So you're going to plus 15 feet times X, because that's per minute. And it's going to be less than or equal to 450 feet. So this is saying that we can go up to 450 feet, or we can be less than 450 feet. We just can't go above it. And that's what they said for if you ride on a hot air balloon. All right, that's pretty much similar to what we did earlier on writing equations. There's not much difference. The only thing you have to do is pay attention to the less than or greater than sign. Thank you, guys.